What's going on, guys? Today's video we have the Flypods wireless earbuds. We're going to go to unbox and review. So as you can see, just straight off the box, you can see this looks like a very premium style pair of earbuds. I'm hoping that they're really good. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. Let's go ahead and get into it. So it says they do have an ear catching sound quality, lightweight, smart touch design, IPX5 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.1, and has multiple different ear tips available. This also claims very long battery life and they look really nice. So let's just check it out. So here are the earbuds. Wow, look at that. So it has a left and right channeling, looks clean, USB Type-C. It's a 500 milliamp battery for the case. So that's looking good. We have a USB Type-C cable here as well. I already opened them. Look at this, user manual, various languages right there. You have a user card there and some ear tips. And this cable is a quick charge cable, so it's USB 3.0, I believe. Let's go ahead and check this out. I'm very interested in these. So if we open them, they have a left and right branding right here, left and right, so you won't get mixed up. They also have LED indicators. I don't know if you're able to see that, but they did have LED indicators. Magnets on them seem pretty good. We're gonna go and do a little shake test. If I do light, it's good. If I do moderate, it's also good. But if I actually try to take it out, it'll actually fall out. So yeah, it's pretty strong magnets. So this is AirPod Pros 2. It's basically almost the same, not gonna lie. AirPod Pros 2 are a little bit more strong, but very surprising considering that these are like right there. Yeah, they're right there. So you got LED indicators so you can easily see what the percentage of the case is at. It's very useful for having an LED display instead of little indicator dots. You don't really know those aren't fully accurate. This has a fully accurate little thing right there, so that's pretty cool. Scroll all the way down, and then they'll be in the pairing section right there. Once again, I did pair these, so they're gonna be paired already, but see, they're right. Go and take them out the case. There we go, now we're connected right here. So they're under Flypods, and then you can change the device type. I would change it to headphone, and then you're good. So it's pretty cool, and this is what the interface looks like. So it's basically just like normal. So this is what they look like, as you can see. Very similar to AirPod Pro look. Got the stem, but I like that little trim on the outside. It looks really nice. And a little matte surface right here where the touch sensor is. Yeah, you can either tap or you can swipe down for the earbuds. That's pretty cool. So if I swipe down, it's gonna lower the volume. And if you swipe up on the right earbud, it'll raise the volume. As you can see right there. That's pretty cool. You can either tap or swipe, so that's really nice. Not a lot of earbuds actually have that. So the seal on these, I think they're medium sized tips on it, but the feeling on it is really good. Like, it has really good noise isolation. I can barely hear myself talking right now. We're gonna go and play some of our own music real quick, and we're gonna see if it's good. This just has a lot of bass when it kicks in. It even says the decibel level right here as well, which is rare on some earbuds. Wow, so just off the first minute, noise cancellation is really good. Like, I'm very surprised on noise cancellation. I'm not even sure if these are meant to have noise cancellation, but the noise isolation and cancellation is really good. These are really nice looking, elegant. Like, you can even see that you're getting a really nice experience, nice matte black type of look for AirPod Pros. And sound quality is actually really good. I'm very interested in the audio quality for the microphones, so I'm gonna see if it sounds pretty good. We're gonna do a test of that right now. All right, so as you can see, we have an air purifier right there. It's a very nice one. We just got it. We're gonna do a review on it in the future, but it's very high tech. So we're gonna go and power this on here, and you can see it. Right now it's in the second speed, and I did measurements on this as well to see how powerful it is. We're gonna be sitting right next to it, and we're gonna record the audio quality. So so this is the first setting now. They're in my ears, as you can see, and we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Test. This is the audio quality of the earbuds that we have here. We're in the first setting. We're right by the air purifier. It is on inactive. So first setting, now we're in the second setting. So we're just gonna try to make this a little quick. Once again, this is the second setting on the air purifier. Pretty loud. I have decibel meters on the left-hand side of the screen, so you can see how loud this actually performs. Now we're on the third setting, so this is the audio quality and whether or not it does a good job when canceling out noise. And this is a pretty loud fan. I'm just gonna jump to the fourth setting. This is the fourth setting. This is just to imitate a lot of background noise. And this is the fifth setting, which is the loudest, and it's really, really loud. So if it could cancel out even a bit of it, then that's amazing. If it can't, then they can't. All right, so that was a little test. Hopefully it sounds good. If it doesn't, then does it. I haven't heard the sound quality on the microphones, but we will check it out right now. All right, so I just recorded that. I did some raw audio for this as well, so you can hear the first and fifth setting. We're gonna see how it sounds. I can't even hear it. You can hear me more, but I'm gonna take out the earbuds. I'm gonna play it again, but with just the speaker, just to see if it's different. Dang.
So loud, and it's really, really loud.
Dang, that's so good. Just for a comparison, I'm gonna do some AirPod Pros because I'm actually surprised and I want to see how good it is. Now, obviously, AirPod Pros are $250 microphones. Or headphones, I should say. They're $250, so the price does have a big impact on it, but we're gonna see if it's actually the same or not. So now we're in the AirPod Pros, the second generation, which have better audio quality and better sound in general. So now it's on the first setting. Okay, so now it's on the first setting for the AirPod Pros. This is exactly how it's gonna sound. Let me know how you think. Personally, I think the AirPod Pros are gonna do a little bit of a better job because they're more expensive. We're gonna jump into the fifth setting straight away. Just a little comparison. So this is the fifth setting now for the AirPod Pros. It's a very loud fan, like I said. Fan slash air purifier. This is good for background noise and everything else like that. So we're gonna see if this actually does a good job or not. And now we're gonna go back to the first setting. So hopefully it sounds good. Once again, the clarity on the AirPod Pros are way better than the ones here, but the price on those is insane for the price. They sound good. All right, so now we're gonna listen to the AirPod Pro quality. So far it sounds really clear. You can hear a little bit of hissing. You can hear your voice pretty good as well. I did hear a little bit of hissing in the AirPod Pros. Let me double check. So I'm gonna use my phone volume now. How it's gonna sound. So we're seeing yeah, it is struggling a bit. I'm gonna go back to the other earbuds.
Just to imitate a lot of background noise. So
okay, so now looking at from AirPod Pros 2, like transitioning between AirPod Pros 2 and the other earbuds, the Flypods. The Flypods do sound a little muffled. The clarity on the AirPod Pros are obviously way better because they're meant to be better in every way. You can hear more of the background sound on the AirPod Pros 2, but also you can hear more of your voice. The Flypods, you can hear more of your voice and less of the background, but your voice sounds muffled because it's doing like a heavy drop on everything basically. So all in all, I think the quality on it is fair. You know, you can hear yourself. It's clear, kind of. It's a little muffled. You might have to turn it up a bit, but it sounds good for the price. That's what I'm trying to say. So good for the price compared to AirPod Pros 2. AirPod Pros 2. So that's insane that this is even able to compete with it just in terms of sound quality practically for the mics basically. But it has a little flap, so it's like spring loaded and it's easy to open. See, it's really cool, very addicting. Like I showed you a little comparison, very small pair of earbuds. So they're very pocketable and you can easily take a shower with them, do anything else like that. And they're very stylish and they look good. The only thing I have to test left is the battery. So right now it dropped 1% because I used it. We're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna charge it and do everything else like that. We're gonna do more tests on these. But for now, everything on these earbuds, I'm really interested in the price, but everything right now is really, really good. I'm hoping it's under 50. If it's under 50, then you guys gotta check this out for sure because they're a must-have for sure. I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.